Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure prerequisites are done. Confirm your iOS is current enough to include app updates and back up your iPhone. Once confirmed, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug into power if battery is low. Now open Settings and go to App Store to enable automatic app updates or manual updates. This controls whether Calculator updates automatically. I'm guiding you to take immediate action so the update process proceeds smoothly and you avoid mid-install interruptions. You'll now perform the update step. Open the App Store and tap your profile picture at the top to view pending updates. If Calculator appears, tap Update. If not, you search to find it and open its page to check for an update button. While it installs, watch the progress ring and avoid heavy network use that could slow download. If you enabled automatic updates earlier, make sure the App Store has permission to use cellular or background refresh if needed for completion. You'll finish by verifying the update. Open Calculator and test key functions to confirm new features or bug fixes. If the app behaves oddly, force quit it and reopen. Make sure your iOS is compatible with the app version. If problems persist, restart the iPhone, then try reinstalling Calculator by deleting and redownloading it. This preserves settings tied to your Apple ID. One key tip: if updates fail repeatedly, check storage and free up space before attempting the update again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.